paper walk list, and paper phone list can both be generated in the system by selecting geography from a map. This allows for a more dynamic list building process than what you get out of the Process List and Files page. The benefit of generating files from the map is that the system will generate paper maps of either those custom turf or precincts. These files are generated in the Create and Edit /Print Turf page. This page is accessed by hovering your mouse over the Outreach section of the navigation menu, going down to Field Canvassing, and clicking Create and Edit /Print Turf. In order to begin this process, you'll need a printed survey, a previously saved voter universe, a printable list template, and if you're using user-created turf, you will also need a previously saved turf. However, if you're using precincts, there's no need for a turf. Please review the Printed List tutorial playlist for more information. To start this process, we will use the Load Universe on Map drop-down menu to select the previously saved voter universe. This is the universe that we'll be using to build our list. Once that universe has finished loading, we will then scroll down to the table below and activate the checkbox for each custom turf that we would like to use to generate our paper list. Once we have made our selections, we will scroll back up to the top of the page and click on each turf on the map. You will know that they're activated when they turn bright green. You will then use the Name Your List text box to assign a name to your paper list. You will then use the Select a Template for Printable List drop-down menu to select your printable list template. If you do not have a printable list template, please review the printable list template video for instructions on creating one. If you would like to display the voters on the map that will be generated, activate the Show Voters on Printed Map checkbox. Note, this will increase the loading time for generating your printed list. Use the Select a File Pickup page drop-down menu to select the pickup folder where you would like to send your file. From there, click on the Print button and your file will generate. Your walk list or phone list will be sent directly over to your file pickup folder for download. If you generated a walk list, your maps will generate in a pop-up window. Before clicking on the Print button, you'll want to make sure that your browser is not blocking pop-ups. If your browser is blocking pop-ups, you will not be able to obtain your map from the file generation. Please reference your browser's documentation for instructions on disabling pop-ups. This method of file creation can be used to generate lists that use precincts as well. Just like before, you'll use the Load Universe on Map drop-down menu to select which universe you would like to use to create your list. You will then use the Select Map Layer drop-down menu to select precincts. From there, you'll click on which precincts you would like to use on the map. Just like before, you'll use the Name Your List text box to name your list that you're generating. You will then use the Select a Template for Printable List drop-down menu to select which printable list template you would like to use to generate your list. Note, turfs and precincts use different types of printable list templates. Again, please review the printable list template video for more information. If you would like to display voters on the map, activate the Show Voters on Printed Maps checkbox. Use the Select a File Pickup Folder drop-down menu to select the pickup folder for that file. Then click on the Print button. This will generate your list and send it over to your file pickup folder. Again, your maps will be generated in the pop-up. The benefit of using this method over generating your walk list in the Process List and Files page occurs if we do not have a proper map for a particular precinct in your geography. The map given to you in this page is a dynamic map and can provide you with that missing precinct map.